Hi. You a shower?
What?
Shower?
What?
Okay.
What?
What?
Whoa.
So guys, my mom is here and she's cooking for me. And Kai auntie just made him. So yeah. She's always spending the day at home. Mom, what you cooking?
Okay.
Mom, what you cooking for me?
Auntie Mike. Auntie.
Auntie Danny. So guys, I'm cleaning out my cupboard in the meantime. Wow, the little good mackerel and dumpling cook. Give me Irish now. I mean, no, because I mean, anything. I told you I don't take it. Come below, we're ready, yeah. No, you're good. I want to mommy. I want to tell them what I never do with sister. So yeah, do me that. Don't put me in a video with my head cancer. Relax. What people? Where's the Irish?
No.
Me take out orange out. Me take out orange out of the fridge. You want orange, sister? Your name, sister? We're cooking up a storm today, right, mother? So right now, mommy?
Right.
Okay. Get down, be careful. Guys, I'm gonna tie up some rice. I'm gonna go get some more stuff because I'm gonna do a next trip down by Senti. Yes, for the hurricane victims. So we've been tying out rice, bagging out whatever. I need some more of them white bags. So I have to go get some more on the road. My mom is wiping. Some more clothes we can carry too to donate and all of. Majority of them new. I say majority. And stuff that people give me in a good condition. So may I go through them too? Huh? Some good mackerel and dumpling. We want to know about it. One thing you know, people they not full up in mackerel tin them again, you know. That's why I love. I rather drop mackerel. And the first person to get their lunch. Okay. You're welcome. Some good mackerel and dumpling. Okay, he's over there having his lunch. Be careful. Take your time. A real flash out. Where you pick up pepper? Mommy wants some pepper. What is?
Huh?
It's mackerel what list, Grace what list, cause nothing in that mackerel them. Hmm? One time the mackerel didn't night. Slap up your food, Baba. Foodie. Mommy foodie. Mommy foodie. Thank you.
A few moments later.
They don't tell me, Kai just eating his lunch. Me forgive him, Titi. Yeah, you must stop it. Titi, what? Excuse, I'm slap you about Titi. You know, just eat. What's up about Titi? Carol. When this one I have to deal with? About Titi, get up. You're a big, you just eat. Kai. Me say you just eat. As oh, you think you're gonna suck me dry? You're crazy. You're crazy. Okay, okay. No, you must stop barfing it. You're a big boy. No, 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 no. You see stress and I have to go through? Boy, I barf it. May I make you baba? Can you just eat? You can't. You need to stop. Cut out this titty foolishness. Cut it out. I'm making your tea. Stop it. Every day I'm go through this. Stop the crying. Stop the crying. Taste it for mommy. Just taste. Look, should mommy drink it? Look. Should I drink it? Drink some. You know you want your baba, you're crying for titty, you know say knock nana titty. Drink your baba. Huh? Why you have to do that? Come hold your tea. Hold it. Be a good boy. Lay back. And watch your cartoon. Can we eat his food? Drink him tea and still cry for breast. Hell no. You gotta stop. Hell no. Give it to mommy. Thank you, baby. So drink it tea and still cry for breast. Can I go and lay down? Say your prayers. Say your prayers. Say your prayers. You can't be crying like that, Kai. Kai drop asleep. Man, you know, anytime he want to sleep, him feel like him feel cry for titty. And him can ask for other stuff. Him can ask for him juice, him can ask for tea, him can ask for food, him can ask for snacks. But I don't know. I don't know. When him want to sleep, him do the most. Him cry, him go along him back. Titty, titty. And it's not literally the titty. Him just, because him drink coffee tea a while ago. You see guy right time, baby. Trust me. If you're not mentally prepared, sometimes kids, oh my God. You know? I think I'm getting a hang of it by now, but you do have those days when you feel like, damn, I feel like may I lose it. But I love my baby. I love my baby. Kai, stop the crying. You locked yourself in there. Kai locked himself in my room about 10:30. I got to 11. I have to wake up my neighbor, ask me if I have screwdriver to help me. Boy, I start panic with one piece of crying, like, me turn idiot. Like, what if the man did their work? Oh, how the hell would he even get out? People, one piece of something? Can you believe that I vomit up the whole place, people? When the door finally opened, my neighbor opened the door for me. Kai vomit up the whole, oh my God. Baby. And he actually poo too. And when I left go downstairs, he never poo. So I know I'm just sitting here, have a panic, a whole panic shit going on. Boy, come in and lock yourself, so spin the lock himself in here, so. Damn. And it's like, what, 2:12 now? I said this was after 10 in the night. I literally have to call my neighbor, wake him up out time sleep, ask him if he have no screwdriver to help me. Cause in the pan one piece of panicking. When the boys start ball, almost me out there panicked on idiots.